an isolated and secured virtualized guest. You can say that I need since CSP is not providing the code or data, so what you can say that I need isolated and secured virtualized guest OS. So if we do so, in that case it reduces the security risk. That's and one of the example of the attack happen on the virtual software security. Another example here is a blue pill. Blue pill means Black Hat 2008. It is an organization which organize you may say that the conference where they shown the or demonstrate the security labs in the virtualized system. And what is the limitation in this virtualization software security is that mostly are the proprietary. After is the virtual server security. Virtual server security. Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud provide a whole server, not the virtualized platform, to their use, and it provides the API. When any application needs or demanding more computing or more space, in that case through that it will provide a new virtual server, or you may say that orchestrate this process, means assigning the server or non-allocation of the server. If it happens, all right, there is no problem. But if there is a certain lack or there is a certain deficiency, in that case your virtual server may be compromised. There is an example that at port 22, through port 22 it communicates, which is for the secure shell or SSH, through which a administrator or user can communicate. So with the help of this open port or this port number 22, a attacker may target Amazon Elastic Cloud Computing. So what are the threats? Stealing key used to access and manage host. As we know that Linux operating system uses certain keys. So what a attacker can do, he can steal the security key of other application and use for the attack. Attacking unpatched vulnerable service listening on the standard port. Suppose you are installing any server, in that case everything you are not going to use. There are lots of facilities like FTP, NetBIOS, SSH, which remains open, and there is no security measure as well. So in that case it can be compromised. hijacking accounts that are not properly secure. A hacker may hack the account which is not properly secure, like weak password, no password, or generally what we are doing, we are giving any name as a password. As you are familiar, lots of website requires upper capital, a special character in between that, lower, underscore as well. So in that case, if you are assigning any password, in that case use this special case. So a hijacker may hack the accounts. Attacking systems that are not by the host firewall. There is no firewall, you are in threat. You may deploy the Trojan. Trojan is what? It is a software. If it is get installed on any PC, generally